bucket time!
Open, hello, and shut. Open, hello, and shut. Open, hello, and shut. Open and shut. Open, peekaboo, and shut. Open, peekaboo, shut. Open, peekaboo, shut. One more time. Open, boo, and shut. Come on, let's go and see what's in my bucket today.
Hooray!
Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1. Wow! Today's object begins with the letter P. The letter P. And that makes the p sound. Can you make that sound? Wow! That is really good. Yes. Now it has lots of pieces to it. This one has got lots of different colours and lots of different latches with some doors that we need to open. Shall we see what it is? It's a puzzle board. Wow! Look at this puzzle board. It's got lots of different colour houses and lots of different shiny latches that we need to open. Let's go and find out who's behind the doors. Come on. Are you ready to play and to find out who's behind each door on our puzzle board? Have you noticed that each house has a different number on it? Should we count them? Okay, let's put our counting brains on. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 little houses. Come on, let's see who's inside. Let's start with the purple house, the one with the number 1 on it. We're going to pull the latch up and open the window to see who's inside. Open! It's a little purple horse. Can you make a noise like a horse? Oh, that's really good. Let's do it together. Neigh! 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 Let's sign the word for horse. Horse. Wow, you're really good at that. We opened the door and inside was a horse. Let's shut the door and find out what's in number 2. The little blue house. We're going to open the latch, round it goes, and then we're going to pull it up. But we've got to say the word open. Open, open, open. 2 little dogs. Woof, 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 woof. Can you make that sound? Oh, that's really good. Let's sign the word for dog. Dog. 2 blue dogs. And then we're going to shut the door. Ready, steady, shut. Who's inside number 3? Let's pull the latch up. And this one has got 2 doors. Let's open the first one. And then we've got to say the word open open, open. There are 1, 2, 3 little cats. Meow, meow. Let's sign the word for cat. Cats. 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to shut the door. Are you ready? Shut, shut, shut. Can you say it? Are you ready? Shut, shut, shut. Next is the red door. Open the latch. We've got to pull this bit up and then pull it across. Then we're going to say open, open. Yes, open. There is little bunny rabbits. 1, 2, 3, 4. These bunny rabbits are red. Can you jump around just like a rabbit? A rabbit? Wow, that is really good jumping. Jump, 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 just like a rabbit. Okay, we've got to shut the door, shut the door. Use the word, yes, shut. The next one is the green door. We've got to slide the latch across into the little hole and pull it out. Then we're going to open, open, open. And inside there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little frogs. 5 little frogs. Can you make a sound like a frog? Rubbit, rubbit, rubbit. That's really good. Can you remember what we need to do with the door? Yes, we need to shut, shut, shut the door. Shut. Fantastic. The last one is the orange house. This one we have to pull the latch towards us. And this one has 2 doors as well. So we're going to use the word, that's right, open, open, open. Ooh, I can see someone peeking inside. Can you? Then we're going to open the next door and then we can see the full picture. Open, open, open. There are fishes inside. Fishes. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 little fish. I think that's what noise a fish makes. Can you do that? It's quite funny. 6 little fish. Now we need to shut the door, shut the door, shut the door. Shut. Let's do the next one. And shut. Wow, we have opened and shut all these doors. Can you remember what was behind the first door? It made the sound neigh, neigh, neigh. Yes, open, and it was a horse. How about number 2? Can you remember? We might need a clue. Can you hear that sound? Woof, 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 woof. I think you might be right. Open. It's dogs. 1, 2. 2 little dogs. Oh, what about number 3? Which animal makes that sound? Yes. Open, open, and it's 3 little cats. 1, 2, 3. The red door. Can you remember what's behind the red door? It's a bit tricky. You remember? Yes, because we jumped around just like rabbits. 4 little rabbits. The house with the number 5 on it. Can you remember? Rabbit, 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 rabbit. Yes, it's frogs. 5 little frogs. The last one. Can you remember this one? They swim around in the water and they go. Yes, it's fish. 6 little orange fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, we did it. We've opened all the doors and did all the animal noises. That was really fun. Are you ready? Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Put them in your lap, lap, lap. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Give a little clap, clap, clap. Creep them, creep them, creep them, creep them, all the way to your chin, chin, chin. Open up your little mouth, but do not put them in. Yay! Wow, I had a really good time with you today, playing with our puzzle board and finding out who was behind each door. We learned the words open and shut. We opened the doors and the latches, and then we had to shut the doors and shut the latches off. Wow! In you go, puzzle board. All put away and ready for another day. But I wonder what's going to be in my bucket next time. There's only one way to find out. I'll see you then with me, Sarah Jane, on Bucket Time. I can't wait. I'll see you then. Bye guys. Bye.
Remember, you're fantastic.